Hey all, welcome to another YouTube video. And today I'm going to show you something which we don't usually do in this channel. Recently I was just going through some of my Instagram feed and my YouTube feed, and I just happened to stumble across these guns called as gel blaster guns. And something inside me, the young kid inside me who's always grown up playing a lot of action games, fighting games, and a lot of Counter-Strike over the years, and Call of Duty and other games like that over the years. Something inside me wanted me to watch more and more of this content. And as I started watching more and more of these content on these gel blaster guns, I was sort of drawn to it, and I wanted to order one of these guns. And after searching a lot, I went to the usual Amazon, Flipkart and Google and other websites trying to look for these gel blaster guns, but I could not find anything there that was really exciting or really good. It was all the usual stuff. Then I happened to come across this one website called as Gel Blasters India, where I could find this M416 rifle, and out of their options, this was one of the few ones which sort of really struck my eye and got me a little bit excited. So I decided to order it. Why not? Another thing I ordered from this website called Gel Blasters India. I'll add a link to this website in my chat and the description as well. So if anyone's interested, please go ahead and check it out. To be honest, initially first thoughts, it was not a very highly reviewed website or store, so I had my own doubts whether the thing would even arrive or not. But just 4 to 5 days within the order, here it is. In fact, even after placing the order, I could not get the order shipping details within the first 24 hours. But I was able to contact them on their WhatsApp, and I got a very quick response within less than an hour or so, sharing all the details and confirming the delivery date and things like that. So just within 5 days of ordering, I was able to get this gun at my home, and this is what the box looks like. To be honest, right now, looking at the box, the quality of the box and things like that, it does not give me too much confidence. It's not a really great box or packaging and things like that. But let's not be too quick to judge. This is the box, and this is what it comes in. Bunch of parts over here that sort of gives you the fun of actually sort of assembling a gun, more or less. Comes in parts which we can assemble ourselves, and looks good so far. Let's go ahead, open this and see what all is inside this. Alright, now that we've taken out all the components from this particular box, I must say that the actual parts inside it feel much more better and worth the money that I paid for as compared to the box itself, which gave me a bit of a scare. I thought it will be one of those cheap plastic made China guns which looks and feels really cheap, but on first thoughts, not so bad, looks pretty good. And I must say, one of the reasons why I picked this gun over many of the choices available on Amazon or Flipkart, but most of those guns usually looked like those paintball guns, did not feel that original, did have those top mounted magazines, or basically the bullet store, which sort of made it feel like a paintball gun. This sort of gives you the feel of almost like an original real gun per se. So these are all the parts. So as you can see, this is the main barrel, that's the gun head. They have a silencer, a scope, a rear support, I don't know what it's called, and please forgive me if I'm messing up any of these terminologies. It comes with a rechargeable battery. This battery is basically for the full auto mode, I'm assuming, where we can just go ham and shoot a bunch of bullets in one shot. But also must say, while watching the videos on this particular channel, I also understood that this particular gun comes with comes with two firing modes. One is the full auto and one is the semi-auto mode. So let's go ahead and look at it. So basically these are the first look at the parts, and it looks pretty good. So let's start assembling this gun and actually start putting it to some use. So assuming the top goes something like this, takes in place. It actually feels sturdy and strong. It's not does not feel so plasticky or weak that you feel it's just going to break apart anytime. It actually is pretty decent at that. Now we connect the battery. Okay, battery is here. Right, I think this is the holder for the battery. Goes in over here. I actually like this turning mechanism over some clips or something like that, which could actually break very easily or very quickly. It actually feels a little bit premium and high quality. Okay, this is, I think, fully closed. Let's leave it at here right now, not fully open, not fully closed. So this is what it looks like right now. And let's go ahead fixing the rest of the parts as well. Let's now fix the front grip maybe. It actually comes with a sort of push button clip. And another good thing I see over here is they've given a bunch of options for these supports and mounts. So it's not like, okay, it goes only in one place. You can just fix it wherever you like. Move this back a little bit. Here is good. And now the magazine. I'm not loading any bullets into it as of now, but as in the gel bubbles or RBs, whatever they're called as right now. But for the magazine, and let's put on the scope. Okay, which way does the scope go? I'm assuming it goes in this way. Is this the scope? No, this is the scope. It actually goes in this way. Let's put the scope somewhere here maybe, or closer, slightly closer maybe, and rotate this clip to tighten. Okay, that's tight enough, firmly in place. And lastly, the silencer. This one's a little hard. I might have to do this off camera because I need to apply some strength here to get this properly fixed and not just hanging loose. Alright, now that the gun is fully assembled, this is what it looks like. And basically comes with two firing modes. This is the semi-auto firing mode, and basically all we have to do is pull this and shoot. I think the good thing about this is that even without a battery, or even if the battery is dead, you can just shoot a couple of bullets and just have some fun with it. Or if you just want to shoot one bullet at a time, this feels pretty good. And even the sound and the feel of it, the entire vibrational feel of shooting feels pretty good so far without the bullets. And next comes the full auto mode. Basically we just flip this switch forward and now we can go ham. Whoa, that feels pretty good so far. The sides, and this is scope. This is scope, actually scope. Okay, it actually feels pretty good. This is like, I feel a small zoom level to it, but this is what it feels like. And once again for the sound test, let me put it close to the mic, and this is what the sound feels like. Whoa, that feels pretty good, huh? Alright, now that we have assembled this gun, done a simple sound test, let's go ahead and soak these in the water. I've heard that it usually takes around 3 to 4 hours, and the average size of each of these should at least be 8 mm or so, otherwise the gun does not fire properly. So yeah, let's soak this and let's do an actual firing test and shoot some targets.